John Binis Makato, Rule 7, Regs of Collection. A. Every vessel shall use all available means appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and conditional to determine if risk of collision exceed if there is any doubt such risk shall be deemed to exceed. B. Proper use shall be made over radar equipment of either of the operational, including long-range scanning, the obtained early warning of the rest of conclusion and radar plotting or equivalent systematic observation of detailed objects. C. Assume the shell do not be made on the basis of scanty information, specifically scanty radar information. D. In determining if rest of conclusion exceed the following consideration should be among those taken into account. I. Such rest will be demand though exceed if the compass bearing of an apparate vessel does not absolutely change. II. Such risks may something exceed even when operable bearing change is evident, particularly when approaching a very large vessel or a tow or when observing the vessel at close range.